My name is Lynne Roller, and I'm the Executive Director. We were started in 1984, so we're approaching our 40th anniversary next year, by a foster family in Edmond in conjunction with a church, and they fostered, and so they knew firsthand what would be helpful to foster families, and they started a clothing closet in their garage, and that has grown into the organization that we have today and the resource center that we operate. The resource center is set up like a retail store so that foster children can have the experience of going somewhere nice to shop. It's just a regular shopping experience like any other child would have. So everything is on racks and shelving, things like that, so they can choose what they want. And we try to have all different kinds of clothing so that whatever the style that a child likes to wear, we have options for them. We fill about 3,100 appointments a year in our actual resource center, but we serve probably about 1,800 unique children in a year, but in 3,100 appointments. And then in mobile, we serve about 300 more. Hygiene kits are important, and we have different products, of course, for different ages of children. We also have a partnership with another nonprofit called Cut It Forward, and they offer workshops for foster families. So if I were to have a child of a different hair texture than mine, then they could show me how to properly care for that child, how to braid or whatever, to help give that child the best experience. We really rely on volunteers, both group and individuals. And the kinds of things volunteers help us with are inventory, our tagging clothes, hanging clothes, helping us get things out into the resource center, making hygiene kits. We also love in-kind gifts. For example, the stuffed animals that you all provided today are a huge help. We're very low on stuffed animals right now, so those will be going right into the resource center and right out the door, perhaps even some today. Children are in foster care not because they did something wrong, but because they lived in a household where the parents or the adults in their lives were not taking good care of them. And it's really important for them to know that there are people who do care about them. So by considering becoming a foster parent yourself or helping organizations that serve foster families, that's just another way for them to know that there are people who care about them, who want them to succeed.